Hello and welcome to Specifi. Today we are going to have a look at the maintenance contract, which can be found in Sales Quote Config. Specifi allows you to create maintenance contracts which can be presented to your customer on the digital sales proposal and have them sign it off at the same time that they accept your proposal. We currently allow for a single set of maintenance contracts, and you can have as many tiers as you like within that set. So in this case, I have 3 tiers. Adding additional tiers is very easy. We can just go to add maintenance contracts where we type the name, the cost, the features we wish to offer, and an overall description. Currently, the maintenance contracts are signed at the time of the proposal, indicating to you that the client has accepted them, but any recurring billing is managed currently by yourselves. Maintenance contracts will be enhanced in the near future to allow for multiple sets, assisted building of the contracts, and recurring billing. So keep an eye out for that. Thank you.